In case you missed it, we found a treasure map. Them what buried it told us it's cursed, but so far there's only been one scuffle, 2 accidents, and the campers have been ripped in twain by their own greed. But I'm sure everything will be braw once we find the treasure. Wait, did I say we? I meant me! Get your filthy paws off me treasure, you bog-and-dosh hungered thieves!
Relax! These guys dead. Maybe 100-200 years.
It's one of the Lockwoods that went missing. Look!
Yeah, why is he all... Ugh?
It doesn't look like he died of, natural causes.
Trapped by his own trap, huh? It's a little sad, no?
Not when you consider how many poor animals came across his hunting traps.
Huh? Watch where you're stepping. It's one big booby trap.
Look what I found. Ooh, sorry. That Lockwood fellow really didn't want to let go of this. Wonder what it opens.
Well, I can't see a treasure chest anywhere. Maybe...
McSquizzy was right. Huh.
Maybe. But I got a feeling that we're gonna need this key anyway.
We should probably find the others. Let them know what we found.
Or maybe we hedge our bets and try the third location on the map. Dang, it's right where the map is torn. Thanks a lot, McSquizzy.
Well, nobody said treasure hunting was gonna be easy.
So what are we waiting for then? Let's find ourselves that skull.
Beep, 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 beep!
Are you sure that's how that thing works?
Of course I am. Are you telling me how to do my job?
Me? Never. But have you tried maybe turning it on?
Beep! Oh, look, I found an interfering know-it-all.
Yodeling. Over here, I think I found something interesting. Do you think this is the treasure?
Why are you digging here? I didn't remember marking this spot.
Well, I was having no luck with your spots, so I tried somewhere where you said not to look instead. And lo and behold, it worked.
Saying you can't argue with weenie logic. Ha! Hey, I call them as I see them. So, what do you think it is?
Well, it's no treasure. Probably just some tossed human tat.
Looks like it's part of something else. Oh, I think I know.
Who split the cheddar?
That was me. That vending machine chocolate went right through me.
Oh, Ian! Oh, see a vet, mate.
Wait, that wasn't me. Ooh.
Right, gentlemen, we're going to need a volunteer to go down those stairs. I'll do it myself, you pack of lily-livered yellow bellies. Treasure!
Oh, yes!
Finally.
The Lockwood hole has got to be close. I can feel it in my guts.
Look over there! What is that?
Mine too, and you as well, you little beauty. Well, I'll be a ready lass.
Treasure!
Not quite. Just a few priceless trinkets to wet our whistles. This'll no be anywhere near the size of the entire Lockwood hole.
What do you guys think happened to her?
No obvious signs of injury. It's like she shut herself in here to die!
Alone.
Introverts.
don't get out of here now!
Wait! I'm no leaving without me treasure! Yeah! That's it, lads! Put your backs into it! Yeah!
Please, McSquizzy, now! Come on, come on, come on!
Perfect! Perfect!
Oh!
Wait, where's Weenie?
Oh! He didn't make it out? Oh!
What took you so long?
All is not lost, laddies. Methinks I've found ourselves a clue.
Way to go,
Yes! Yes! Thank you for the tip, Lady Lockwood.
The map says it's right here.
Well, maybe the map is wrong.
Or maybe we need the other half?
That dang McSquizzy.
Enough with the McSqueezy, blah, 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 blah. He's not the one who took us on a wild goose chase.
Well, at least I'm trying. You'd rather McSquizzy find it first?
Find what first? A whole bunch of nothing? Come on! I thought we were gonna share it all anyhow!
Sure. Well, I would. But would he?
Would you guys put a hay bale in it? Just relax, step back, and look up.
Woohoo! We found it! Now what?
You can move your backsides and let the pros do their job.
Whoa! You guys found a second key?
I think you mean we found the first key and you found the second.
We got here first, so hand it over.
How about you hand yours over?
Don't make me take it from you.
Aye, you can pry it from me cold, dead paws.
Enough already! That robot raccoon was right. The treasure is cursed. What have we become? Suspicious, hostile, argumentative, greedy, mean-spirited?
Aye, say how you really feel.
If this is what it turns us into, then maybe it's not worth it.
Oh, ignore her. Let's get digging.
Ha! Not before we start digging.
Everybody back! This thing's coming down!
Ooh. You saved my life.
Yeah, for the second time. If you include nearly suffocating to death inside a vending machine.
Oh, aye. What's gotten into me? 3 lads and lassies gone due to their obsessive greed to hold on to their blasted treasure. A fat lot of good it is to them now.
Then let's all go home, right? Not even enough material.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I didn't say nothing about leaving the treasure. Just be nicer while we're looking, so's we didn't end up brown bread like those greedy Lockwoods.
McSquizzy's right. I say we do it together. Like friends.
Ha!
Now we need to promise each other no more fighting.
A mirror?
All that work for a flippin' reflection? Pah!
It means we're all empty inside.
Oh, wait! I get it. We're the treasure.
Well, at least we can't fight over nothing.
True. And if today's taught us anything, it's that getting off this island as friends is the best treasure we could have ever asked for. Come on, gang. Let's get back to camp. Do you guys hear something? Must have been my imagination.